Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to make a pentagonal star lantern. For this lantern you will need following materials: a scale, stapler, paper cutter, scissors and some colorful papers. Check the description of the video to find the template required for making this lantern. Take the printout of the template shapes onto various colorful papers and cut out those shapes as per the given lines. Various cutouts or the flaps that you see can be folded using a scale. Do this for all shapes provided. Once you have all the cutouts and flaps folded, you can use the stapler to join these pieces together to make a 3D shape. Your lantern is now ready. You can fit a bulb inside the lantern and enjoy Diwali. Thank you.